Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best budget drones 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The best affordable drones under $100 are an excellent place to start if you're looking for a toy for your youngster. These low-cost drones, which are also entertaining for adults, can be used both indoors and outdoors and are an excellent way to master the fundamentals of flight. These drones are all fairly simple to fly, and some even have cameras built in, allowing you to film your flights. I have prepared this video guide for the best budget drones 2021, so let's get started. 3. Tomzon A31 Mini. Are you looking for a low-cost drone to learn the basics with? The Tomzon A31 is the best drone for the job, with a wide range of functions for those who don't want to spend more than $50 on a drone. The basic A31 doesn't have a camera, but it's quick and nimble. It also incorporates LED lights at the base of each propeller, making it enjoyable to fly at any time of day or night. We particularly love the blade guards, which assist keep it intact if it collides with something. It does, however, have a short power life of roughly 7 to 8 minutes, but it comes with an extra battery so you can extend the enjoyment. 2. Potensic A20 Mini. For about $40, the Potensic A20 is a charming little drone with a surprising variety of functions. Although there is no camera, there is auto takeoff and landing, as well as an altitude and heading hold mode. By handling takeoff and keeping the altitude or heading, the direction in which the drone is pointing, stable while allowing you to maneuver in other ways, the latter two make it easier to learn to fly. These are really useful for new pilots, since they make it much easier to figure out how the various controls work. However, the A20 is not a fast drone and is readily swayed by breezes and drafts. When you use the higher power settings, it's quite quick, but with only around 5 minutes of flight time, you don't have much time to practice. It does, however, come with 2 batteries. 1. Dji Telo. The Dji Telo is not just a fun drone to fly, but it's also designed to help youngsters learn to program by allowing them to insert code blocks into an app in a Lego-style fashion, using the Scratch programming language. However, because there is a learning curve, youngsters may want some assistance in programming the Telo. The Dji Telo is a small but sturdy drone with an electronically stabilized camera that can capture video at 720p/30 frames per second and take 5MP photographs. The Telo is advertised as being able to fly for up to 13 minutes on a single charge by Rise. However, we found that it only lasted around half that time. In any case, it's a good idea to stock up on extra batteries. The Telo also lacks a physical remote control, so unless you want to spend an extra $50 on a controller, you'll have to use your smartphone, Android and iOS. So guys, this was the video about the best budget drones 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.